All right, we're finally in a trade here. The open was pretty choppy. It's 10.26. NQ is green, $525. 530. 700. This is going to help because we are already red 800 on the day. Also, YM is green, $270. This is a strong level here at 10.14.077. All right, so we are green 600 in this NQ short. We're green 220 in the YM short. See if we can break this 77. Here we go. We might get even back to even here if we can break this 77 and stay under. This is looking good. So the open was pretty choppy, and now it's 10.26 on Monday, April 11th, 10.28, and we're getting finally some smooth moves. So NQ and YM both in this short. Trying to make up for some of those back-to-back losses we had at the open. All right, we broke that 77 level. We're down in the 60s now. Green 830 on NQ. Now 920. YM is green 225. As long as we stay under the 77 level, I am fine with that. All right, see if we can stay under the 77 level here. In the NASDAQ, YM is green, $265 on the short. My trail might get hit here on NQ. If it does, it'd be about $500 profit, something like that. So it'd still be right on the day. So I'd like to see a little bit more of a drop, but I might not get it. Might be like 550. So I'm gonna only be red like 250 on the day, which would be obviously fine. If we can drop back below this 75 level, 77, 75 area, that would be awesome. Yeah, be closer to actually 500.
Order filled.
All right, so now I'm only red $290 on the NASDAQ, so that is very good. I was trailing a little closer, I think, than others, so if this drops back down, they'll probably get more than me. YM is green 250. Let's bounce over there. All right, so now I'm on the YM chart. You can see the trail here. We're green 270, 275, 300. And the trail is sitting in its place, and it will continue moving down as we make new lows here. There we go. There's that 300. See if we can push a little lower. This is the exact area where all the choppiness happened this morning. You can see the trail moving. So if we can get below this 34,440. Oh my gosh, my eyes. Then that would probably open it up to a bigger move down. But I'm not going to touch this. The trail is doing what it's supposed to be doing, and that is what the auto trader is all about. The algorithm will trade for you. It will enter the trade for you. It will exit the trade for you, whether that be a stop loss or a trailing stop loss or a break even offset, just like this. Look at this, 365 on this short. This is one contract. NQ bounced back, so that trail was definitely hit, probably for everyone. So I'm only down 300 on NQ on the day. If I took YM here, then I'd only be down like 300 on the day. So, you know, down 600 on the day. But oil did make 300 on the first trade and like 150 on the second trade. So it's actually around even on the day. Not, you know, still a bit red, but I'm not running RTY live. RTY is green. It was green like 200 something, and then it's in this long of 460. I changed my trail, and that's in simulation, so I don't really care if I kind of like reset it. But the live ones I just leave alone. So 400 here now for the YM. I'm going to take a picture really quickly. All right. So I got a quick picture of YM. Just going to post that really quickly. All right. So we'll see what happens with this trail if it gets hit sometime soon. I like to like pause this and pop back in because sometimes it can be a little boring and long-winded. All right, so I just wanted to pick this back up. The trail did hit on YM right here. Sorry. Why is my mouse not? There it is, right here. So I'm down 260 on YM and I'm down 290 on NQ. Not a big deal. They still run for the rest of the day. It's 10:44 in the morning, so still have several more hours. This is actually the first red, essentially what it might be a red day, since I started running this again, like this setup and this algorithm. So I'm totally fine with it. Even if it ends here, you know, being down $500 on the day is not a big deal when trading minis. So super happy that we got those two shorts. And the money made on oil too. I keep forgetting about that. There was 300 on the first long, which actually went all the way to 700, and then 150 on the short. So that helps out there as well. So really probably only down like around 100 on the day. So I just wanted to wrap this up so I could add it to the other video, so it didn't just look like I fell off the face of the earth.